Now in this lesson we look at what happens when dividing by 10, 100 or 1000. Now when dividing whole numbers ending in zeros by 10, 100 or 1000, we simply rewrite the number but chop off some of the zeros. Well, let's see how it works. If we divide by 10, we're going to chop 1 0 at the end. If we divide by 100, we're going to chop 2 zeros at the end. And if we divide by 1000, we chop 3 zeros at the end. Let's look at some examples now. In part A, 830 divided by 10. Well, let's bring in some working space. 830, let's write the number down, and we're dividing by 10. So looking up there, the rule would be to divide by 10, simply chop 1 0 off at the end there. So that's 0 at the end, one of them. Let's just cross it out. So we're left with 83. Okay, pretty easy. Next question, 7,200 divided by 100. Let's write down our number, 7,200. We're dividing by 100, so let's look up here. When that's the case, we're going to chop 2 zeros off at the end. So those 2 zeros, let's get rid of those. So our answer there is going to be 72. 4,000 divided by 1,000. Well, let's start with our 4,000. We're dividing by 1,000, so looking up at our little table there, we're going to chop 3 zeros off at the end. So those 3 zeros, cross them out. So the answer, of course, is going to be 4. Alright, hopefully that's fairly easy. Let's look at a few more. The next one, 62,400 divided by 10. So let's start with writing the number down. Dividing by 10, so we need to chop 1 0 off. Let's cross it out. So we're left with 6,240. 80,000 divided by 1,000. Now these ones you actually just might know the answer straight away. That's fine. But let's look at how we can do it otherwise. 80,000, let's write that down. We're dividing by 1,000, so how many zeros do we chop off? That's right, 3. So those 3 zeros, out they go, and we're left, the answer is 80. 28,000 divided by 100. So the 28,000, let's write that down. Dividing by 100, we're going to chop 2 zeros off at the end. So there they are, 2 zeros, let's cross them out. We are left with 280 as our answer.